Globalization is known as the process of interaction and integration among people, countries, and governments of different nations. This is led by international trade and investments among the mentioned before. Because of all of this, the globalization affects people's culture, the environment, the economic development, and the societies all around the world. According to the definition of a dictionary, trade is the business of buying and selling commodities, products, or services. In other words, commerce. With this we mean that it is basically the exchange of different things between people, companies, countries, among others. It could either be trading it for something else or for money. The digital revolution is the improvement and advancement of technology from analog, electronic, and mechanical devices to the digital technology we have nowadays. It started in the 80s when the computer became a familiar machine by the end of this decade and the introduction of the cell phone, and it keeps going on. Later on, in the 90s, the World Wide Web was introduced and the Internet became a normal tool for business. In the 2000s, the technology began spreading worldwide and cell phones became more common and the users that could access the Internet started growing pretty fast. In 2010 to the present, cell phones and Internet play a huge part in our daily lives. Terrorism is the systematic use of violence to create fear in population in order for a political thing to happen. It is mainly practiced by political organizations, nationalistics, religious groups, and state institutions. This term was first used during the French Revolution when they started implementing terror in people by the use of guillotines.